The tide's turned. We should have some fish starting to move up here, and hopefully within the next half an hour to an hour. There's a few swimming around, but those are older fish. We want fresh fish. Curtis can't wait though. Minner Creek, September 13th. Yeah, 13th. Thank you, Curtis. Tuesday. There's just a few fishermen out here so far. The tide is on its way in. Should be high here shortly. See a few swimming around. I think it's just fish that had gone up a little bit and it just came back down. But no schools coming up yet. And not many fishermen yet either, but I imagine it's going to get crowded here pretty soon. Well, the tide finally went out, and along with the tide came lots and lots of fishermen, or people carrying fishing rods anyway, and very few fish moving up. What fish were trying to come up, people were intent on just chasing them around and hook them any means possible. My friend had somebody who just kept wanting to walk right in front of him and had no regards to anybody else fishing, and so my friend had enough and he went back to the truck. I tried for a little while more. It's been a long time since I've been to this location, Minner Creek. If there are a lot of fish, I could probably spread out more, but yeah. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Fish on. When you go fishing with Curtis, things happen. Right, Curtis?
Well, fishing with you, Ray, is always an adventure.